fur for me. It's the fur for me. But look how it come on my skin color. Woo! Woo! Do you see that fur? Maybe you want to do a little cat. Lights, camera, action, boom, bow, clip, bow. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Zane Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, you already know you're rolling. If you're new, hey, what's up? Make sure you join the Rockstar Angels by clicking that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like and a comment. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified every single time your girl upload a new video. Like, why would you want to miss when I upload a new one? Hello, I'm coming with the content. So as you can see from the title, today I will be unboxing my Mackage. So I had this, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I had this box for months and I've been sitting and waiting to do this video, waiting for the right time. You know, if you're a YouTuber, if you know, you know. It takes some time. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little close, but if you know, you know. It takes time to like record these videos, like for y'all. Like when we get a package, we can't just do it right away. We gotta wait for the right time, the right moment to actually. All right, I'm rambling. So I have the box right here. This is the box it comes in, this size, and I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys. So this is the Adali Mackage. So let me tell you guys a few things, like why I bought the coat, how much the coat cost, and how did I buy the coat. So I bought this coat because honestly I didn't see myself in no other coat. Like this is the coat for me. I love the fur. I love seeing other young ladies wearing the coat. It be giving fashion. It be giving you as that girl, you know what I'm saying? So I like the vision. I saw the vision and I had to execute it. So that's why I bought the coat. How much did the coat cost? The coat cost $1,090 plus tax. I paid cash. I paid cash for the coat, you know what I'm saying? Had to spend a couple dollars. So yeah, I really wanted this coat. I didn't see myself in no other coat, and yeah, so I got it. So now we're about to unbox it and we're gonna try it on. So I'm gonna take it out the box. This is how it comes, and then this is the box. So you got the Mackage on the inside of the box, and inside the box we got enjoy your new item, and it says your order has been packed by S, and that's that. That's so cute. Like it tells you who your order was packed by. Like it's like from me to you, from you to me. Enjoy. And then we got the little receipt. Does it tell me how much I paid? No, it don't tell me how much I paid. Y'all, I ordered this August 31st. And I'm just now opening it. It's November 25th. Like, wow. That's how you know, like, I just been having a box sitting there for the longest. So what else we got right here? So, this is so cute. Alright, so this is if I wanted to return it, which we're way past that date. And then another thank you. We stand for style that can take you anywhere. Inspired by the energy of the city, our design philosophy comes together with unique craftsmanship and constant innovative spirit to deliver fashion-led function. I love it. Girl, if you don't turn your sound off, yeah, I don't know why I can't. On the side. So then inside the box it says inspired by the energy of the city. Inspired by the energy of the city. I love that. Like we the people are the inspiration. Like people like Brandon, they get inspired off of us and the stuff that we like to wear. So that's that. Now we're about to open the jacket and take it out the little pouch. So this is the coat. It's mid-length. It has a tag on it. I got it in the size medium, color camel. And let's put it on. Shoot, I feel like I could have went with a large. I could have went. Woo! Woo! Do you see that fur? Maybe you want to do a little cat. Oh my goodness! I woke in the spot. 30 on it. Wait, hold on. I woke in the spot. 30 on me and some chops. Oh my, really rock. Roll control. Are you kidding me? Now do y'all see why I spent $1,000 on this coat? Is it worth it? Drop it down in the comments. Tell me if it's worth it. You see my fur? And if I'm not mistaken, the coat is sustainably made. Ooh. Do y'all see? It's the fur for me. It's the fur for me. But look how it come on my skin color. And then I got the burgundy. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, like, if you feel like I did right. Let me know. If I did wrong, let me know. Let me zipping it up. Hold on. And this me matching. You feel me? This is my color. Alright, so let me zipping it up. So we got this zipper right here. Got this zipper right here. Hold on. Are you kidding me? So if I want to zip it like that, just for the inside, you feel me? Who's telling me what? Huh? Who's telling me what? Y'all feel me? Alright, then I'm gonna zip it up the other zipper. There's a double zipper. I'm zipping that up. Okay, so it stops right here. It doesn't go all the way up. The second zipper is inside. I'm gonna give y'all a mirror view so y'all can see what I see. Hoodie on. Oh, and then it even has the symbol right here on the top. Okay, you guys, so this is the code. Winter 2021, 2022 going forward. Y'all stay warm. Y'all stay in fashion. Stay cute, stay healthy, stay blessed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.